Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy Caesar salad. Toss romaine with dressing and freshly grated Parmesan, then add warm croutons and a squeeze of lemon. I'll walk you through a simple anchovy-free option, a garlic-forward dressing, and tips for toasting croutons perfectly. This guide keeps ingredients pantry-friendly and timing efficient, so you can serve a restaurant-style salad any night with minimal fuss and great flavor. Start by crushing garlic and whisking it with Dijon mustard and lemon juice for brightness. Add anchovy paste or mashed fillets for authentic umami, then slowly stream in olive oil while whisking to make a silky emulsion. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, remembering Parmesan adds saltiness. Keep the dressing loose enough to coat leaves without pooling, and refrigerate briefly if you need it chilled before tossing with your greens. For croutons, cut day-old bread into even cubes and coat lightly with olive oil and seasonings. Spread in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast at high heat until golden and dry, turning once for even crispness. Warm croutons add texture contrast and help absorb dressing without going soggy. Save extras in an airtight container. They stay crunchy and make great toppings for soups and other salads too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.